was ugly as hell. Ugly. Cried and crashed. Anyway, when I was building this plane, I realized it needed easy navigation. So I built the yaw. So this could help you play with these. Since I figured out a way to be in the air, I want you to join me.
Hello, are you tired of driving from place to place, sick of wasting money for gas? Well, not anymore. You can own an amazing way of transportation, an airplane made by our very own Wright brothers. Oh, okay. Get your airplane today for $25,000, and if you call now, we will give you another for the exact same price. No, I saw that in the show. Wouldn't you agree? Call now at 777-777-7773.
My wife here, Teresa, bought a plane again with me on today. Great quality, efficient navigation system, air conditioning is great, seat warmers. We just have a great time.
Warning, Wright Brother planes will not be held accountable for any injuries you acquire while ownership, and no refunds, and your family can't sue us if you fall out of the plane.